it.
Let me tell you one thing. If somebody lost grace, it's not grace alone that is being lost. Glory also is being lost.
Let me tell you one thing.
There's nothing we are. There's nothing we are.
All animals are equal.
But what makes man to be unique or different? And his glory. And what is glory?
Your potential.
That God make it to be revealed. That's your husband you are condemning. It's a mistake. That child you are condemning is a mistake.
No.
And instead of you to identify that you are the one that wrong it.
What's the problem?
Well, instead of you to accept that you are at fault. Because Adam did not accept that he's at fault. He's still shifting the blame to Eve. You've lost grace. Cry.
Restore
back my glory.